we got a package. Emily's gonna open it for us. What do we got? Some Ticino. Those are the coffee grinds. Dandelion turmeric. What flavor is that one? Dark roast, our favorite. More dark roast. I got 2 packs because that's what we go through most of. Vanilla nut. Chocolate raspberry. Now this one is not fully gluten-free. If you just have a gluten intolerance, you'll probably be okay with that. But if you have celiac or are very, very sensitive, then that's not the one you want to try. That one works for Adri and Michael. Mostly Adri likes that. And the Shega ashwagandha, that one is gluten-free. So these 3 are all gluten-free. So are these grinds. These ones here, these actually, you make them in a coffee machine the same as you do coffee, that's ground up. And these ones are all tea bags. So I prefer the tea bags just because they're a little easier to prepare in the morning. I just have to boil water. I don't have to clean out Michael's coffee maker. Awesome. We've been at a dark roast for almost a week, so it's been rough. So it's good to have some more. So Ticcinos are some of our favorite drinks. You gotta go on the other side. Now you can wave. Hi, Levi. Hi. So there's some of our favorites. They are like I said, the 3 that are gluten-free, and then they also are caffeine-free. They are acid-free. They're prebiotic. There's a certain blend of them, like this one, the Shega ashwagandha, that has mushrooms in it, so it's an adaptogen blend as well, and they just taste really good. So if you're not a coffee drinker but you really like coffee, or if you are a coffee drinker but you shouldn't be drinking coffee, these are an excellent alternative. They're really good. So we will leave a link in the description of this video if you want to check out some Ticcinos and try them out. So Michael invited over one of his classmates and his wife for supper tonight. So I am making baked potatoes with buffalo chicken, and I'm gonna saute up some onions and peppers just for those that don't like the spicy stuff. They can put that in their baked potatoes. And Adri made a bean salad, and then we'll probably make another green salad as well. So the potatoes right now are in the oven roasting, and I'm just shredding up the chicken that's already been cooked in the sauce. And then I'll work on the onions and peppers, and hopefully we can go for a walk before the guys are done class and get out and enjoy some of this beautiful weather. So this is the buffalo chicken. Hopefully it tastes good. Buffalo chicken's not really a thing in Canada. I have never seen somebody make buffalo chicken in Canada, actually. I don't think ever. But down here in the south, I see it quite frequently. And it's a little bit on the spicy side for my family. It's not bad. When you pair it with the baked potatoes, it's okay because that kind of helps to take down some of that spice. But to just eat it by itself, I think would be a little too much for us. But it's not as saucy as some people's. I followed the recipe. There's like a little tiny bit in the bottom, but anyways, I did try some and it tastes good. I just added the celery and carrots, and so I'm gonna let those cook until they're soft, and then that one is done. There's Adri's famous bean salad.
How famous?
She used to make it a lot. Not so much lately, but
Actually tastes good.
does it, even without the cumin? We ran out of cumin this week, and that's one of the main spices in it, but she said it's still good.
Oh, don't stab me with the carrot there. Oh, I did the wrong blue. Great. On the edge. What's sunshine moon?
A little more practice. Yeah. What you doing, Levi? Yeah. Backwards. Hey, you actually stayed on. Oh, you're riding it? Yeah. Whoa. Come on, Levi. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of.